How to make a custom Clubhouse profile photo. It's a popular trend right now to add some color or even a colored or gradient ring around your profile photo so it stands out in a sea of others. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. I'm going to walk you through from my computer first. So here I am in Canva, and this is using the template that I've made for you for free. It is a Canva template. It is linked in the description below. But essentially, your Clubhouse profile photo, when you want to add that ring around it, I've given you two options here, either a solid, bright, colored background, which obviously you can easily change the color here, or this gradient, right? I just found this gradient texture online that you're able to use, and it looks a little bit like Instagram, and it's going to, it's going to work well for you. This is the one that I'm using at the time of recording this video. So once you save the template that I've made for you in your own Canva account, you'll click and open it as a template, have your profile photo ready that you want to use, click and drag it over, and you might want to rearrange it slightly. The whole trick is to have the photo, the profile photo of you, slightly less than the full width of the square canvas. In this case, I've made it perfectly square. And for this example, if you want to make your own, I'm using one of the Canva elements, which is just the circular photo frame. Really handy. Basically, just drag your profile photo in there. The profile photo shape of a Clubhouse photo is slightly off circular. That's a word, but essentially, as long as you're placed, close to the edges, but not to the full edges, that will enable a small amount of this colorful gradient background to show. And now I'll jump over to my phone and show you the rest of this tutorial. Now I'm going to go and open up the Clubhouse app where I'm going to set the new profile photo that I've created for myself. I mentioned to you a second ago that I've already set this as my profile photo, but if you hadn't, I'm going to show you where you would do that. You would very simply click over to your profile as I just did, click on the photo and pick from library on your phone, and there you can see I recently set this photo on my camera roll, added it to my camera roll from my computer, or downloaded it from the Canva app directly onto my phone, and boom, there you'll be able to change your photo. Just that simple. That's basically it. For this example, I use Canva, and I've shared my template in the description below. Even if you don't use Canva, don't worry. This action is simple enough that it's easy to replicate in the photo editor or app of your choice. Crop the photo as a circle, put it on top of a larger circle that extends to the edge of the crop, save it or send it to your phone, upload it, and you're set. I hope this helps. If you're new around here, I'm Phil, and on this channel, I share practical advice to build your brand, Clubhouse, Instagram, so much more. Consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. Hit that bell to be notified when I post next. I've got a whole bunch of freebies as well on my website, checklists, ebooks, and more to grow your brand. Link below. Next, I'll share a few of my popular Instagram videos to help you ace your strategy. Thanks for watching. Those are coming up next.